When you first get the machine will arrive in two separate pieces. The infeed portion with the conveyor and power film and wind, and the exit portion of the machine with the sealer and takeaway conveyor. The infeed and exit sections will be bolted together right here on the frame, and sometimes the frame will be offset from one to the other. You can see this one is out approximately a foot. In this video it shows how the exit portion of the machine and the infeed portion of the machine are bolted up evenly. There are 5 1.25 5/16 18 hex head bolts that bolt the two frames together. Here's the bolt, and here's the slots that they mount in. These bolts will be left loose until the machine is level, and then retightened. There are 4 leveling legs per section of machine, 4 on the infeed portion and 4 on the outfeed portion. And you want the machine to be level in both directions, starting with the conveyor, leveling the conveyor in the trans direction first. Once you have the machine level in the trans direction, you want to level the machine in the machine direction. Checking levelness on the exit portion of the machine, you can check in 3 different places: on the machine direction, on the conveyor, on the seal pad, and on the seal bar. When setting up the levelness of the machine in the machine direction, you want the infeed portion to be about 1/8 inch higher than the exit, and this roller should just touch your level once you have her in the right spot. Right there. These are the 1/2 inch bolts that you use to adjust this roller on each end, right here and here.